Good morning. Hey guys, it is Saturday and snowboarding day. Here's the view from my room. My room's a little messy, so I'm not going to show it to you right now. Let's go see the view upstairs. Yeah. This is my little room. It's my little white cabin bathroom. They're derelict. Got a nice little closet here. I'm whispering because everybody's still asleep. This is like a little living area. Our DJ booth. This is a little loft area upstairs. And look at the view. This is the life. And there's the kitchen over there. This is for you. And canned biscuits though. Yeah, it doesn't capture how pretty it is out here. This is our little cabin. Whatever. That's down there. Let's go see what's this way. Oh, that is so pretty. Let's take a picture. I'm gonna go back inside and edit some videos because I love you guys so much. Alright, let's go sit on the back porch. Alright, here goes nothing. Y'all ready? Here goes nothing. I'm not sure I'm about this snowboarding life. No, ma'am. I can't even get up the hill. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, I wasn't even in focus, I don't think. Alright, I'm gonna take a... Definitely not about this snowboarding life, child. Woo! It's hard out here for a pill. Let's see. Go, Tony. Come on, Don. Come on, Don. You're on candid camera. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna try this. This is the cutest little thing. If he can ski, anybody can ski. Get it! You got it! Keep going! Don the mannequin is helping our little friend here. You need help? Take these off of you. I know, I should help him. Okay. Oh gosh. Oh boy. I tried. And now I'm on the ground. I'm pretty good, actually. There's the moon from the ground. Oh, almost got killed. Go. We lost one and we lost another one. Alright, I'm gonna try this thing again. We got it.
my groin is gonna hurt so bad tomorrow. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Right.
After that last pill, I think I'm just gonna make snow angels. Or just take it out. Good night. Well, we're bringing it on in.